This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to find your most liked review on Letterboxd. So this is the Letterboxd main page right here. In order to find your actual most liked reviews, as in the ones that were liked the most by people on Letterboxd, out of actual reviews that you've done, you will hover on the picture of yourself and the username at the top. You will then hover down to profile, click on profile. Now from there, we can see recent activity here for reviews, so on and so forth. But we want to come across to the fifth tab along currently, the reviews tab. So we click on the reviews tab. Now we've got all of the recent reviews here. This is currently sorted in order of the most recent reviews right here. So what we can do is then we can go hover over when reviewed. So it's currently sorted, like I say, by the most recently reviewed reviews, so newest first right here. But the one that we want to actually see, the ones with the most likes, it's actually called review activity. So there's review count, but we want review activity right here. You'll see immediately that it has resorted these, and you can see I've got one with 56 likes here, one with 44 likes, 42 likes, so on and so forth. You can see that these are now in order. So that's the one you want. You want to come up to a review, the sort by right here, and you want to go for review activity, and that will show you your most liked reviews. These are the ones that have had the most likes by people on Letterboxd, and you'll see your own results, of course, reflected here. Hopefully you found this video on how to find your most liked reviews on Letterboxd useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.